Good morning, students. Today in this video we will be discussing about the introduction of cell. Do you know what is called cell? A cell is the structural and functional unit of life. The study of cells from its basic structure to the functions of every cell organelle is called cell biology. Robert Hooke was the first biologist who discovered cells. All organisms are made up of cells. They made up of a single cell or many cells. Maybe they are the unicellular or multicellular. Mycoplasmas are the smallest known cells, and cells are the building blocks of living beings. They provide structure to the body and convert the nutrient taken from the body food into energy. Cells are complex and their components perform various functions in an organism. They are of different shapes and sizes, pretty much like bricks of the buildings. Our body is made up of cells of different shapes and sizes. So now the question is there, who discovered the cell? Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. Robert Hooke observed a piece of bottle cork under a compound microscope and noticed minuscule structure that reminded him of small rooms. Consequently, he named these rooms as cells. However, this compound microscope had the limited magnification, and hence he could not see any details in the structure. Now, later on, scientist Antony von Leeuwenhoek, he discovered, or he first observed the movement of cell. Antony von Leeuwenhoek, as he observed the movement of the cell, so it is considered that he is the first person who discovered a living cell. Antony von Leeuwenhoek observed the cells under another compound microscope with higher magnification, and this time he had noted that the cells exhibited some form of movement. As a result, Leeuwenhoek actually concluded that these microscopes entities were alive. Eventually, after a host of other observation, these actually entities were named as animal cells or animalcules. Then, what are the characteristics of the cells? Various essential characteristics of cells are there. Cells provide structure and support to the body of an organism. The cell actually interior is organized into different individual organelles surrounded by a separate membrane. The nucleus holds genetic information necessary for reproduction and cell growth. Today up to this, and in the next video we will be discussing the cells in details.